Okay, this video is very unnecessary, no purpose at all. I'm going to do me a puffball on camera with my real hair. Okay, I will not be using anything, no gel. I don't put gel in my head. I use activator, but I didn't bring any with me. So I'm just going to do me a puffball because, excuse me, because I don't feel like doing my hair like that, but I'm just gonna, just a little bit, okay? Okay. So, like I said, I'm not gonna use any gels or anything. I'm just gonna take this brush and wet it a little bit on my hair. Okay. It's gonna make a nice little, a nice puffy ball, just to, you know, okay. It doesn't take this long to make a football, but I like to be very, very, careful. I like my hair to be slicked, right, and I like for my edges to be right, you know. So, yes, yes, honey, yes, honey. Okay, so now that I got my hair all slicked, I'm gonna take my hair tie. I'm gonna wrap it around it like that. Here's my hair. See? Okay, just gonna leave it like that just for a second, okay? It's just gonna, I don't really have baby hair, but like I tried to get myself some, so, but it never worked. So I can just leave my hair like this, but I'm gonna leave my hair like this because this is how I feel like it should be. But this is my tutorial. If you ever want to learn how to make a bun, wait a minute, a pretty bun or something, just let me know. Yes, I just slayed myself to the gods. But yes, this is the end of my tutorial. Hope y'all learned something from it. And like, I'm gonna link stuff. So, yeah, all it.